Hey guys, welcome back. Today is day 3 of my Nutrisystem 5-day box. If you guys are interested in day 1 and day 2 or the unboxing, as always, it will be linked down below in the description box. So this morning I am starting the day off with some banana pancakes. I am just mixing some bananas and some eggs, and that's pretty much it. I'm putting a little bit of butter because I ran out of coconut oil onto my pan, and I'm just going to be cooking those babies up. Sometimes I do like to add a little bit of cinnamon or a little bit of vanilla in it. I think this day I did not. But I do add peanut butter instead of maple syrup, just for the added protein and just so it keeps me fuller a lot longer. And here are my banana pancakes, and I made a few for Ben for him to try out. I think that we really want to try taking this healthier road together. It can be so hard sometimes to make the right choices for your body if you're not in the habit of doing that, so it just makes it that much better to have somebody by your side who's willing to do those things with you. So now this morning I'm also pairing it with this peanut butter protein bar and pairing it all with a black cup of coffee, and you better believe that all of this tastes delicious. Now I'm just going to get a little bit of exercise done and hydrate.
You cannot seem to get to me.
After my workout, I'm having this trail mix bar, which is 200 calories, but it's also 12 grams of protein, which in my opinion makes it perfect for a post-workout.
I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away.
For dinner, I'm going to be having mac and cheese with turkey sausage. It is 240 calories, but it also has 16 grams of protein, which I think is pretty good. For my snack, I'm going to be eating it as dessert. They're milk chocolate covered pretzels, and I'm really excited to try these. So I'm just going to be keeping it pretty simple and pairing this off with some peas and some carrots.
Staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. Some gates never get to open 'cause it's
Alright guys, end of the night, and I'm going to eat my snack as a dessert. So I'm going to see if these actually taste like milk chocolate flavored pretzels, like regular ones. A lot of the chocolatey stuff has been tasting healthier versions. Alright, so I'm going to test this out. This package is 130 calories, and the first ingredient in this is sugar. I don't know that that's a good sign. It doesn't taste like a pretzel, it tastes like chocolate covered cookies. It's really good, but that's probably because its first ingredient is sugar. Non-fat dry milk solids. Cocoa powder. I don't know if that's a good sign, but they taste really good. Hold on. I'm gonna let my cameraman over here try one. Should I record you? No, he doesn't want to be recorded. What do you think? It's good, right? Or no?
It's alright.
I think this is probably one of my favorite snacks. But I like sugar, so pretty good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!